to retain your audience without analytics. Let me tell you something that a lot of creators won't tell you. See, you don't need to show analytics before you can retain your audience. You need to understand these things I am about to share with you in this video. I am also a beginner and I don't have my 4,000 watch hours yet, but I have come to realize that people don't stay till the end because of analytics or because you are sharing your screen. They stay till the end because your video is interesting and you retain their attention. Now, let me explain this to you in a very simple term. Number one, what you are going to do whenever you start your video is start with a problem. Don't start with welcome to my channel. Start with a problem, because let's say you click on a channel now and the first thing you hear is welcome to my channel. What do? You leave. But if it starts with a problem like how to get your 4,000 watch hour in 2 weeks, you are trying to solve their problem and they will stay and watch what you want to say next. Number two is that give them reason to stay. Whenever you start your video, always give people reason to stay. You can start like, by the end of this video, I'm going to show you the biggest mistake you are making that's not giving you your 4,000 watch hour. So at every point in your video, give them reason to stay. And number three is that talk like you are talking to one person. Talk like you are talking to a friend. When you talk like you are talking to one person, the audience will feel relatable and they will feel like, oh, this is for me. Number four is always remind them to stay. You can say something like, now, this is what I want to show you. This thing I'm about to show you is very powerful and will change everything. You know that kind of a thing. Once you say something like this, they will want to like, okay, let me see what you want to tell me. So this is how you keep people watch your video up to the end. Number five is change your tone and energy. When you are doing your video, don't let your video have this interesting elements. Your energy, your gesture, your body gesture, your hand, your face gesture has a lot of impact in your video. So don't just make a boring video. Make video that people would love to watch till the end. And number five is remove boring parts in your video. All those places you are doing remove it. Only the value is what we need in the video. That you don't have to share your analytics before you can retain people's attention in your video. All you need to do is learn how to make interesting and interesting videos. Learn how to retain your audience attention. Learn how to retain your audience attention in the video. For example, imagine people that are making movies. All those movie producers, they are intentional about even the movie that they are not selling, they are putting on YouTube. They are intentional about it. When you watch a scene, you want to watch the next scene. So even you that you are putting on 8 minutes or 10 minutes video on YouTube, make it, be intentional about it. Do all you have to do to make your video interesting, and you will see that your watch hours will increase. So you don't even need to focus on watch hour. You need to know how to make interesting and captivating videos that will be very interesting for people to watch. Those are the things you need. And if you find this video helpful, follow this channel. This is Creators Boost. Here we help beginner YouTubers to grow their channel. So if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like it, comment, and let me know what you are struggling with on your channel so that we can grow together and help each other. All right. Thank you very much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.